Listen to that engine purr. Pure American muscle. Incredible. This road was made for it. You bet. Let's open her up. I've spent my life bringing dead machines back to life. Looks good. Let's button her up. Yeah, everything's torqued and tight. All right. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Let's check the compression on this cylinder. Right. I'll get the gauge. Good. Let's be precise. How's the wiring coming along? All set? Ready to close her up? All right. Let's button it up. All right. Let's check the valve covers. Right. Looks like they need new gaskets. Exactly. Grab the torque wrench. See this rust? It's in the A-pillar? Yeah, I see it. What about the engine? The block looks solid. Good. Check the mounts. Looks good, doesn't it? Yeah, the engine sounds solid. A real beauty. Can't wait to hear it run. The block looks solid, but check the heads. Yeah, the valves look worn. What about the intake manifold? We'll replace it. See the alignment here? It's still off. Yeah, I see it. The frame needs tweaking. Let's mark it. Distributor looks a bit off. Yeah, the timing's advanced. I'll grab the light. Good call. Alignment's looking good? Yeah, the stance is perfect. Let's check the engine. Good idea. The headers look clean. They do. See this rust? We need to reinforce the frame here. Right. I'll grab the welder and get started. Good. Double check the alignment first. All right, let's ease it in. Pulling down now. Steady, guide it forward. Looks good. All right, let's adjust the timing chain. Okay, I'll hold the tensioner. Good. Now turn it clockwise. Got it. See this? New intake manifold? Looks good. What's the torque? 85 foot-pounds. Should hold. Perfect. The interior needs a full restoration. Agreed. The engine bay is our priority. Let's check the wiring harness. Good idea. The chassis alignment looks good. Yeah. Ready for the engine mounts? Let's check the firewall. Looks clean. Rust here is pretty bad. We need to cut it out. Agreed. Let's get a patch ready and start welding. I'll grab the grinder. Alignment looks good. Let's check the front end. Right. I'll grab the level. Good. And check the torque on the mounts. On it. Check the alignment on the new dash. Looks good. Just need to secure this. Perfect. Let's get this finished. Doors aligned. Let's check the front. Okay, pop in the hood. Carb looks good. Manifold next. Right. Looks solid. Looking good. Almost done? Yeah, just a few more passes. Keep that bead straight. You got it. That's the way. Looking solid. Check the torque on these bolts. On it. This bracket looks a bit off. Good catch. Let's get that aligned. All right, let's get this intake secured. Got it. Hand me the 10mm. Looking good. Check the torque. Will do. Check the timing chain tension. On it. Looks good. What about the intake gaskets? Looks solid. Let's check the timing chain. Looks worn. I'll grab a wrench. On it. Good work. Easy now. Line up the mounts. Got it. Feels solid. Good. Bolt it down. Looks good. Check the torque on those mounts. On it. Feels tight. Good. Now the lines. Got it. This purple beauty is really shaping up. How's the engine alignment? Solid. We just need to tweak the radiator mounts. Good. Let's get the wiring harness next. This bolt's stuck pretty good. Give it a little tap first. Okay, that worked. Good. Now tighten it. How's that intake looking? Gaskets are set. Just need to torque the bolts. Good. Keep it even. Will do. Hand me the 9/16 wrench. You got it. Here. Good. Now tighten that bolt. Done. What's next? The chassis alignment is spot on. Yeah, and the engine bay is ready. Good. Let's check the front suspension. Keep it even. Don't rush. Got it. This side's almost done. Good. Check the edges. On it. Alignment's good. Let's check the front clips. Got it. This side is clean. Primers are set. We're ready for paint. I think I found the issue. All right. Let's see it. Yeah, this hose is shot. Good catch. Check the timing on that. Yeah, it's a little off. Good. Tighten that bolt. So what's the verdict on this rebuild? The block is solid. We're looking at gaskets and timing. So new gaskets? Yep. Check the timing on this distributor. Got it. Grabbing the wrench. Perfect. Let's see if that does it. How's the tension on this hose? Looks good. Give it a quarter turn. Done. How's that? Perfect. Good work. This engine bay is looking great. The new parts are fitting perfectly. Yeah, it looks solid. What about the front bumper alignment? It's next on the list. We're making great progress. This carburetor gasket needs replacing. Good catch. Check the intake too. Will do. Looks clean. Good. Listen to that engine purr. Pure American muscle. Incredible. This road was made for it. You bet. Let's open her up.